Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be installing this program right here. Now, no matter which account you have for it, you're gonna open it up. So just make sure you open it up. Usually you have it on the top right hand corner of your screen. You're gonna see this. Just going to open. So open this up first. Once you open it up, make sure it's open. Then and only then you can go into help. So that's going to be on the top left hand side of your screen. You're gonna see your Apple logo, the name of the software. All the way on the right, you're gonna see help. Tap on help. And from help, you're going to see this, uninstall. Just click on uninstall, your second option. Then from here, you're going to see this. So this will completely remove the software. Do you want to proceed? Click on yes, which is on the left-hand side. Once you've done that, put in your password for your Mac if you have one. Click on OK. And here we go. I wouldn't really worry too much about this, the survey itself. For me, I'm going to go into other reason. I'm going to specify. Or I can just click on the fourth option. That's in my case, going to next. And of course we can just tap on next. You can tell how it slows down your computer. This is good to give them feedback. So I'm just gonna say OBS streaming. I'm gonna put should work on Mac M1 and M2 Macs and submit. Again, this is something that you should do just to make sure they improve their software, but you don't have to. Pretty much done. You can just click right here on the top left hand corner and you're done. It's uninstalled. The good thing is that it's really easy to uninstall. You shouldn't have it anywhere now. So if I go into my apps and I take a look for that software anywhere, it shouldn't be here. So that's something that you guys should do just in case. And also in your Spotlight search, you guys can go ahead and search if there's anything that has to do with that. So right here, I'm doing my Spotlight search and there's nothing. So perfect. Anyways, that's how you guys can do it. No matter which Mac you guys have, it's going to be the exact same process. If you have any problems, questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.